In addition to academic excellence, China offers top-notch hostel facilities for international students. The hostels are not only comfortable but also designed to cater to the diverse needs of students from around the world. They provide a safe and supportive environment for students to live and study in. In China, most of the hostels offer cozy and comfortable air-conditioned rooms for students. These rooms typically come in single or double sharing options and include attached bathrooms with 24/7 hot water provided by a geyser. Moreover, each floor in the foreign students' hostel is thoughtfully designed, with convenient facilities such as a dedicated laundry room. Additionally, for those who prefer to cook, there's a kitchen available, allowing students the freedom to prepare their own meals if they wish to do so. Thank you so much for watching this video. We upload new videos every week. Please subscribe, like, and share. We'll see you again next week.